river was whiskey, life was a diving dirt. Went back to the bar circus, no, they wouldn't get back up.
We're in Stratford upon Avon today. 24 years ago today,
we got married in Paynton, in Devon. So yeah, we thought we'd come out for a day out. The weather's lovely, so we thought we'd come to Stratford and have a little look round and have something to eat. Yeah, just a bit of a chill day. Really.
Lovely day off.
Yeah, it's nice.
I don't know what it means, but there's a smile upon your face, and I see something shimmering in your eyes. And they say if you want a glimpse the future, you need space. And you said you'll put down your morning guns. Would you follow me to wonders?
We actually came to Stratford upon Avon for my 50th birthday party, didn't we, Trace? Do you remember?
Oh, we did. We were meant to be going to Madeira, weren't we? But our son...
He put his leg out, yeah.
His knee, so
He's got, yeah. He's got hypermobility. And he dislocated his knee, so we had to cancel our holiday to Madeira and we've come to Stratford upon Avon instead.
With him in a wheelchair.
Yeah, with him in a wheelchair. And we have fond memories of me pushing him up a hill in a wheelchair, smoking a cigarette.
All going back over us. Happy to say he has given up smoking now.
He's given up. Well done, George. Congratulations.
You were slowly fading in my mind. When you left I was so completely gone, but now I'm sure you were some of the best of things to find. Would you follow me to wonders? If you're everything that matters to me, makes me wonder why I can't get over you. When you look at me this way, I find it hard to not give in.
Like rubbing down car body thinner.
Perfect. This is the olive oil that I bought from Adam, who does the Cretan pots, and I really wanted to use it in a bake, so I'm going to have a go at making a lemon olive oil loaf. Just going to pop this in and mix a little batch just to get the oils out of the lemon zest. Just going to put the eggs in and let that do its thing for a few minutes until it goes really thick and creamy. Olive oil. I'm going to try this one because I find that a lot of the cakes I do have oil in, and for the farm shop they seem to work really well, particularly in the winter months, because the butter in a cake will go very hard, make the cake dry. So I tend to do cakes that have got oil in, they seem to work really well, but I think the olive oil is going to really add that extra little bit of something special. It's really like emulsified now. You can have a look and see. Looks really good, lovely and glossy. So I'm just going to add the other bits now that I need. Half of it I'm going to put in. The cream, nice double cream. Pretty indulgent cake, I think. Another half of the flour. The rest of the cream. Tablespoons of lemon juice. That's okay, that's perfect.
What is it? 17 each one?
I'm going to go for about that, yeah. Some people will pipe a little bit of the extra mix down the centre, or a bit of butter, and the idea of that is to stop it when it's in the oven. It won't explode, kind of thing. It will open it up. It's like a kind of cup. But because these are smaller and I'm going to use the oil, I'm just going to literally just put a little line in each one like that. That should be enough to allow it to kind of burst open without exploding. Good morning, we're back at the farm shop today. It's Saturday. We forgot to fit, well actually we didn't forget to film yesterday, we forgot to take the camera. So we just wanted to show you some of the cakes we've done this week. I've done the lemon olive oil cake that I showed you part of me making. It's come out really well. I'm really pleased with it. It's like a super moist sponge, and I did like a lemon drizzle while it was still warm that's soaked into it. It's lovely. And then I've done like a lemon cream cheese icing on the top, and yesterday they went really well. I think now it's warmer, everybody likes lemon as well. But I've got another little tweak I'm going to try next time. I'm thinking maybe to infuse it with a bit of lemon curd, or slice it open maybe and put lemon curd. I think that it absolutely needs that too. So you can't taste the olive oil though, for anybody that's concerned. It's more of a texture thing. It's just made it really moist. And like I've said before, lots of the cakes that I do for the farm shop I use oil in, because I just find that the texture works much better when we're in different temperatures, not when freezing. But these are lovely, they're really lovely, and the oil was very nice, so yeah, I'm really pleased with it. Another favourite on the counter this week is carrot cake. That's always one that goes really well. That has oil in it too, not olive oil, but super nice. Always goes, flies normally, doesn't it? Another bake this week is the giant butterscotch cookies, and that's using those, I think we showed you before, the caramelised chocolate chips, which are just like the nicest thing in the world, and they're packed with that and milk chocolate and huge giant cookies. And yeah, they went really well yesterday. Maybe if there's one left I get to eat one later, we'll see.
We've got a couple of pop-up shops today. Just pop over and see the shops. It's only one piece of cake between two people.
There must be something missing.
because we've only done that once. Welcome to the Suffolk Street Market. We've just set up. No time to do any filming of the other stores because we've been already quite busy. So there's a lot of people already wandering around.
And look at the sky. Look. Just turn it around.
Yeah, Mr. Blue Sky today. We'll wander around. A fabulous day. It's a fabulous day, Miriam.
Isn't it? Yeah.
It's a fabulous day. I love the sun, but it's really hard to film anything in the sun because it just shuts the camera down.
It does. I have to say, I have this in my garden. I'm on hands and knees.
You alright?
I am good. How are you? Good to see you. I'll be up for my coffee as soon as I've finished setting up. How's life?
Good, good. Busy.
Good.
Is she not here yet?
Who?
Vicky?
No, no.
Oh.
I moved the bar over and told them to get rid of the tabletop.
I come down to video you guys.
Right, I've brought all the stock. Vicky's parking up and then she'll
Come. Well, I'm just going to video your trailer,
Okay.
and I'm going to go because I've got to make coffee.
Oh,
This is Dovecot Willow that was at the farm shop with us last weekend. It's their first event at the Suffolk Street Market. We've been joined by Pepper's Perfect Pizza again, and they've changed position this time, so they're going to be trading dead opposite us, which I think will work quite well. What do you think?
I'm so happy because it's been on my agenda to have the tea since the last time, because their pizza was so nice. This time we're going to take it home, we're going to buy one and take it home, aren't we? Because we didn't eat it for like 5 hours last time, I don't think.
No.
It's still very nice. Are you alright?
Yeah, it's
Don't
lovely.
you ever in today or something?
No, she's just there on the corner.
Yeah, I'm still there. It sounds like the song. I'm there on the corner. Oh, yeah, it's
All right.
day to day, isn't it?
I hope so, yeah,
I
yeah.
feel like coffee.
This is the last of the traders leaving. They got to get their vans off site.
We start like
He's going to
about
take out
8, 9 o'clock.
That's
We're
it.
here
Yeah.
ready to go, really.
Yeah, that's right.
You all right?
very well, yes, and you?
Yeah, good, thanks.
Keep it busy. Sunny day here in
This is a slightly eccentric man.
slightly.
Nice.
Well, that's it for another week.
Yeah, it is. We're all done, well, nearly done. Going to start tidying up in a minute.
Yeah.
It's been a good day. No rain, dare I say it, although there
Oh,
is a few
don't,
black
yeah,
clouds.
don't say it now because it's seriously clouding up.
Yeah.
But
We're going
yeah,
to pack up shortly, head home, eat our pizza, and I've bought some amazing olives as well.
half undressed. You know?
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
You can also follow the Baking Bird UK on Facebook and on Instagram.
Hear the crickets, see the moon side by side and